Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Almost everything is more complicated than it seems, but almost nothing is hopeless, rather. Vincent Barnett. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. The Dow Industrials closed down 364, NASDAQ down 159, S&P's down 41, gold contract up $8.40, trading at $1,093 an ounce. Silver up 40 cents at $14.15 an ounce. Both gold and silver, well, silver caught a good bid, up 40 cents. Got back inside the $14 area. Gold, very well maybe an ABC structure on the way up. 1,054 approximately would be the price target. Silver needs another day of wide price spread accelerated volume. Got back inside the higher range. Platinum up 12 bucks, $8.48 an ounce. Copper flat at $1.95 a pound. Light sweet crude up 40 cents, $30.84 a barrel. What the oil market did is this. Oil market numbers came out today. Huge inventories, huge builds. Bottom line, oil comes down, but it doesn't break the $30 level. It had finished its ABC structure on the way down, the one-to-one structure. We'll see whether oil can catch a bid. Bonds, the 10-year up 6 ticks, 128.01. 30-year up a full point, 158.17. The 30-year, folks, is at all-time highs. 10-year, just it got a bid. Bottom line, couldn't hold the price. King dollar down 94 ticks, 98.93. The euro at 108, and the yen is trading at 117.70. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? You have the SPY. It's down 480. You've done 212 million shares. So you're coming into, and you came into the October second level. That had 211 shares. Bottom line, you're coming into a Thursday, Friday. Market couldn't hold the bid. I can actually make the case. This would be pretty sick, man, too. So watch what we actually did here. Man, this is intense. Okay, so you have a high volume swing low at 182. You're at 188, right? Market couldn't hold the bid, called the price, none of the above. We're talking about an ABC structure on the way down. You know, I thought to get a bounce that would be higher. Well, guess what? This might be it. And this is what it is. And if it is, because it broke the B point of an ABC today, and it broke it with volume. The volume accelerated big time. Now, check it out. Your A point on this is 207.79, which is the December 29th high. Your B point is 189. So you're dealing with 207.79. 189, so that's about it's 11 plus 7, that's 18 bucks. That would bring you 194, 84, 74, 177, and your high volume swing low from the August 24th level is 182. So, you know, if you're a long-term investor, folks, you better get your stop in. You know, this thing is fast, furious, all of the above. Now, that's on the daily. Let me put this on a weekly for a second because, you know, we have 2 more days in the week, but we get an understanding of the volume on a weekly. So thus far in the weekly, we've done 574 million. You're going into 1.6 billion. You're going into, okay, so we're going to take out the, on volume, we're going to take out the October level. You're going after this August level. And that August level, by the way, remember that was 182.40. That was going after the October high volume swing low of October 2014. That's your SPY. We take a look at the NDX 100. What do you have with the NDX 100? Same setup, pretty intense. NDX 100, your A point out here is 114.24. That was on December 30th, 114.24 to 102.73. So you get 12 bucks. The high of today can be the C. You get 12 bucks. That's giving you 6. That's giving you a 94 price target. 84 is the low that was registered on the August 24th level. Talking about the August 24th level, if we do the small caps, what you're going to see is that the small caps blew it away. This is pretty intense what has happened with the small caps out here. Small caps, IWM was down 333 today. The low of the August 24th level was 108. It was 106 on the 29th of September. We not only took that out, we took that out with volume. We bring this back, and what you're going to see is that the small caps are trading where they were trading in July of 2013. You get July 2013, and now if you want to see this on a monthly basis, what you're going to see, and this is going to be it looks to me like the small caps are going to be the first ones that are basically going to give us an indication of, number one, you know, how we're going to come into basically this 1,500 on the S&P, and you're going to barrel in there with volume, and this is why. So the small caps, the high of the Russell is 129. So you're down 29 bucks off of that, number one. There's nothing to stop this thing until like 80 bucks. That's down another $20. Now, that sounds like a lot, but guess what, folks? We've gone $20 in 2 weeks. No, 2 months, rather. Sorry, 2 months. So what that would do, that brings it down to the highs of August of 2011. Huge problem. Huge problem. Because if we bring back the S&P, and if you want to see where the highs of the S&P are in August of 2011, gets pretty intense. There it is right there. That's 1,300 S&P. That's pretty sick, you know. And it would be very unusual if it's a, you know, well, at this point, you just broke a B point of an ABC structure on the way down. So that is a big problem, period. That thing wants to go south. Now, gold, just the opposite. We take a look at gold. Gold has rejected lower price out here today. Did it with lighter volume. Gold contract is at 1,093. It looks like this is going to make a run first for 1113. If we get volume at 1113, then you're going to be up at the 1150 mark. We're going to take a look at silver. What you have with silver. Silver caught a bid today. We'll see if, in fact, you can get some follow-through. What has happened with silver in the past month, folks, is that it has got back inside the $14 area 4 or 5 times. Each time back into it, it's got slammed back underneath it again. The $14 area is important because it's a trading range. Now, we got it inside there with volume today. I suspect it's going to go after the swing point of 1438. If we get juice there, then you're going to see some real action. You stay right there, folks. We got a lot of numbers coming up, a lot of companies coming out with numbers right now. We'll have them for you as soon as we come back. Dow down 364, NASDAQ off 159, S&P's down 43. We're going to be right back.